Friends, today I am going to discuss a very important topic, that is equality of opportunity and full and effective participation and inclusion in society for persons with disabilities. So, the purpose of the present convention is to promote, protect and ensure the full and equal enjoyment of all human rights and fundamental freedoms by all persons with disabilities, and to promote respect for their inherent dignity. Persons with disability, according to the UN Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities, include those who have long-term physical, mental, intellectual or sensory impairments, which in interaction with various barriers may hinder their full and effective participation in the society. How disabled individuals are viewed by society? Society often views the disabled or handicapped as less than human. There is the perception that they do not have the pain, same needs, desires or feelings as typical individuals, and therefore are not entitled to the same rights and considerations as typical individuals. The rights of persons with disabilities is important because it is a tool for ensuring that people with disability have access to the same rights and opportunities as everyone else. Barriers for persons with disability: attitudinal barriers, communication barriers, physical barriers, policy barriers, programmatic barriers, social barriers, transportation barriers. So discrimination may also cause stressor that may cause high blood pressure and other poor health conditions in the handicapped, or these conditions, adverse conditions in persons with disabilities. So disability rights and law in India. Legal provisions are there: the constitution, educational laws, health laws, family laws, labor laws, income tax laws, etc. Article 15(1) enjoins on the government not to discriminate against any citizen of India, including disabled, on the ground of religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth. Every person, including the disabled, has his life and liberty guaranteed under Article 21 of the Constitutions. So, Rights of Persons with Disabilities Bill 2016. The number of disabilities officially recognized have increased from 7 to 21. The law has provisions to protect those intellectual and psychosocial disabilities and even acid attacks victims. The legislation drafted to make Indian law complement with UN Convention on Rights of Persons with Disabilities will replace the Person with Disabilities Act 1995. Disability etiquette: how to respect people with disabilities. Find commonalities before thinking about differences. Do not victimize people with disabilities. Do not assume they see their disability as a tragedy. Adjust posture to the eye level. Never avoid. Approach the person as you would anyone else. Speak directly to the person using clear, simple communication. Treat persons who are adults as adults. Do not patronize, condescend or threaten when communicating with person. Do not make decisions for the person or assume that you know the person's preferences. Pay workers with disabilities equally. Modify your working arrangements. Embed accessibility into every part of your recruitment process. Provide life skill training to all employees. Say person with disability rather than disabled person. Disability inclusion will strengthen your workforce. Inclusion builds morale and help all employees do their best work. Why it is important to accept people with disabilities. An individual's disability can play a major role in his or her life, whether it's positive or negative. But overcoming the challenges and developing confidence is vital and admirable. As a society, it is our utmost duty to allow people with disabilities to experience a life they deserve. Thank you very much.